Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the piece and the sprayer simultaneously. Clean the surface, sand to 120-150 grit, then wipe with a tack cloth so the paint adheres. While that dries, mix and thin paint 5% to 15% following your sprayer's guidelines and strain it to prevent clogs. Once done, test spray on cardboard at 10-12 inches, adjust fan and flow so you get even overlap. Make your first pass with steady, sweeping motions, move the whole arm, not just the wrist. You continue by building thin, even layers to avoid runs and orange peel. Apply 2 to 3 coats, letting each coat become tack-free, usually 10 to 15 minutes depending on product, then recoat. Avoid heavy wet coats. Make 50% overlap on each pass, keep the nozzle 10 to 12 inches from the surface, and move at a consistent speed so edges don't build up. If texture appears, sand gently with 320 to 400 grit between coats. Blow off dust. You finish by applying any clear coat for protection, following the same thin coat approach and allowing 10 to 15 minutes flash time between layers. Let the piece cure fully, often 24 to 72 hours, before moving or reassembling hardware so solvents evaporate and hardness develops. If you see runs, stop, let dry to tack-free, then sand the flaw wet with 600 to 800 grit and respray a light, thin coat to blend. If clogging occurs, clean nozzle and strain paint before continuing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.